Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie. Shouldn't be here long, right? First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the video. Today we just have a quick, I guess, first impressions, because I still want to put this to use a little bit more. I've been using it for about 2-3 days right now, but this is something that I grabbed from CT Barber Expo. And if you follow me on Instagram or you see my my short video over here, this is the WezTeck made to fade. And this from the company, I guess the company is called WezTeck. This is an interesting contraption, all right? I'll put up the video of the unboxing and how to install it. I'll put that up at the, if you're watching this video, that video should be up. I'm gonna just post them at the same time. So what this is a tool that turns your clipper into just having this one little notch here. So instead of you changing blades and stuff or changing guards, you got that there. As you can see, starts from it's closed, then you go to the 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, right? Real quick, I think this would work better if this was on a balding clipper, because using this can be kind of confusing when you got, especially when you used to using that, right? But this is supposed to kind of negate having to use it, because so you can use both, right? And open and get a little bit more closer or whatever. But now you're using two levers. So I think this would work better on a balding clipper that doesn't have the lever on the side, and that's just your lever. So if I can do it again, I'm forgetting which way it go. So this opens up to a 2. You take that blade, you take that guard off, and then you have another blade, another guard that you can put on there. All right? They got these little slide right here in the guard. Once you put them in there, if I put it on right, and then you just, all right, and now it's on. So now it's closed, right? So now this will give you from a 2 to a 4. All right. Anyway, so that's the contraption. I'm trying to explain it because it's something that, so while I'm at CT, somebody actually messaged me and was like, have you seen this? Have you tried this? Which there's a lot of, there's quite a few messages of people telling me that I should try this. But I'm telling that guy, like, okay, I like it, I see it, I'll try it once I get back from CT. Just so happened while I'm walking through, I see the company. Boom, I'm here, I'm gonna buy it. Now this is, I think it's like $60, $50, $60. Maybe, I don't know, the price is here though. But it just, it's supposed to negate the actual using of guards, right? And it's cool when you think about it. The actual use of it though, I'm not too sure, all right? So two of the problems that I had was when, let's say that I take it down to a 1 guard, right? The 1 guard would actually cut a little bit thicker than a normal 1 guard. And it wouldn't lay the hair down as smooth as one of my guards will, like my Wall Premium blade or my 1 blade from Stylecraft. It wouldn't lay it down as smooth. It wouldn't let the hair feed through these blades as nicely as it should, right? So it didn't get a clean cut. So I would always go back. I would end up going back over it with another clipper, right? And then going against the grain, it was a lot of tugging. It was a lot of pulling. So even doing that, it didn't give me the smooth cut that I was looking for. And also, like I was saying, this here, especially when you have your, so barbering, it's a routine. once you get your steps down, it's hard or it's difficult at times to just switch. So maybe it takes some getting used to. But while I'm cutting, either I'm turning it around to make sure I got it right in the spot, or I'm forgetting where I'm moving it, trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, for the person who created this, they know it's smoother for them. But while I'm in my routine, I'm still doing this. So I'm trying to get in my mind not to do this. Let me just focus on this. That's why I say it may work better on a balding clipper that doesn't have a lever. You know what I'm saying? So now that balding clipper becomes a lever clipper. Right? And I get the point of it trying to, oh, but you don't have to switch through guards and all that stuff. That's fine. But I don't see this as a tool that's going to be a quick takeoff. Maybe, and I've said this before in other videos about certain products, maybe this is their first go out. You know what I'm saying? And they use this as time to, okay, let's make this, let's do this to it. And me personally, I'm waiting for that next time. You know what I'm saying? So if they do bring another one, I'm gonna buy that one as well. I'm going to use that one as well, just to see that if the time, in that time they actually made some adjustments. I think that blade needs to be a little bit smoother. And also, so when it's closed, it's fine. It keeps everything quiet. All right. You start opening it up. Every time, no matter what, it got that little rattle to it. But going through these blades, going through these ridges here, sometimes it don't feed through smooth. You get what I'm saying? So I put this in a try it if you want to. I don't see it as being one of those things that everybody runs to. I kind of put it into the category of the blur guard, or I use the easy clips or something like that. They're cool, and it's cool to have. But me personally, now this is just my opinion. I suggest if you even if you think the ideal is a good ideal, try it out. Try it out. I'll put the link. I'll put everything in the description where you can go to their website, go to their Instagram, talk to them, get a better feel of it before you just say, okay, I'm not going to. But me personally, I don't see this being something that people run to. I love, and I thank everybody in these different companies that's trying to make things for the industry and make things for the barber community, but everything is not a success. I'm not saying that this won't be. I'm just saying, me personally, I will be taking this off of my JRL, putting my regular blade back on my JRL. That's just me. All right, that's my opinion on the WezTeck blade, easy to fade or made to fade. Again, I do thank everybody who's thinking. The innovation, the pushing everything forward. I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? I've been cutting hair for 10 years. So when I started, you know, it was still kind of just those three companies. You know what I'm saying? So I'm liking what, and then the OGs I work with, I know they remember where it wasn't nothing. You know what I mean? So to see it now is kind of good. You know what I mean? I like it. You know what I mean? This is my hobby. This is my barbering is not my hobby. Buying stuff in the barber industry is my hobby. But that's what I think about the WezTeck. You can leave all the hate or love in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. All right? And I'll be back with another video very soon. Yeah, very soon. Peace.